Here's a 2017 GMC Yukon XL. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability, and this Yukon XL has even more of it. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, electronic shift on the fly, and V8 engine. The Car Connection calls it an offensive lineman in a crisp business suit. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.